After successfully purchasing GPT, you can go to your order page to verify if the login email and password have appeared. Go to the Chatgpt official website. First, log into the Chatgpt official website. Enter the username and password obtained from the FamilyPro order page. Note: you can only access the FamilyPro order page to obtain the verification code after entering the current page. This process may take anywhere from a few seconds to several seconds, so please be patient. If you're unable to obtain the verification code on the order page, you can return to the Chatgpt page, click Resend, and try again to get the code. Now that you have logged into Chatgpt, you can use all features normally.